Albert Einstein once said, "The world we have made at the level of thinking we have done thus far creates problems that cannot be solved at the level of thinking at which we created them." From a mathematical standpoint, my perspective is that solving a problem requires working on a different level, analogous to working with derivatives in calculus. When faced with the challenge of covering a long distance, for example, the solution lies in the derivative level, which is velocity or speed. On the other hand, if the issue centers around speed, the solution involves working with acceleration, such as requiring adjustments to the vehicle acceleration and braking systems. In our context, we are blessed to have Earth, with its offered capacity and resources. While the idea of colonizing Mars is intriguing, let's keep that discussion aside for now. We don't want to cause more damages. Our problem is the escalating growth of consumption and waste. And when we examine their underlying equations, we find that both display exponential characteristics. Unfortunately, the derivative of an exponential problem is exponential too. Hence, our technological advancement aimed at resolving this issue should be similarly at an exponential trajectory. I'm calling out here the standardization bodies and organizations overseeing the evolution of the next-generation ICT technologies. The incremental 10x from one technology generation to the next in 5 to 10 years is no longer sufficient. 6G, for instance, necessitates a profound paradigm shift distinct from the foundation of 5G. Let's delve further into the relevance of this concept, with the idea of why an ambient Internet of Trillion Things is necessary in today's coffee time inspiration. Grab your coffee or favorite brew and let's get started. The Internet of Things, as it exists today, connects our vehicles, appliances, and occasionally even our furniture. At an industrial level, it interconnects machinery, equipment, and occasionally even tools and shipping containers. We are discussing here the connection of tens of billions of things. But it's crucial to note that there are trillions of everyday items that exist in a state of limited or no connectivity, often residing in the gray or dark area of the connectivity spectrum. Currently, food products and medicines, with a staggering annual consumption rates of 10 trillion units, operate without data exchange capabilities, remaining disconnected. In the industrial sector, consider the vast quantities of product packaging, third-party logistic packages, returnable transport items like pallets and totes, as well as work-in-progress goods, all of which are currently in the dark. In earlier videos, we briefly touched upon the logic behind the necessity of connecting these components to emulate the nature's efficiency, sustainability, and circular principles. While a deeper dive into the why will follow as we explore the specific industry vertical use cases in the coming videos, our focus today is on the ambient facet of the Internet of Trillion Things. The initial question that we will address is, what does this ambient Internet of Trillion Things resemble? Imagine a communication device as thin and versatile as a sticker that can seamlessly integrate into both everyday packaged and unpackaged items. The sticker will relay its data into the nearest home appliances or devices, including your fridge, washing machine or lighting fixtures, mobile devices, computers or home assistant devices. All these devices will relay everyday's data among themselves, eventually reaching the cloud computing engines responsible for processing the data to extract insights aimed at enhancing efficiency, sustainability, and circularity. Now imagine this concept extended to the industrial realm, where every building, facility, or plant appliance, from shelves and conveyor belts into machinery and lighting systems, all become part of an ambient network. This network connects everyday raw material, goods, packages, assets, and transportation items throughout the production, transportation, and management process. All these everyday items will need a form of that sticker-sized connectivity device. How does this sticker device work? How much it costs? And how is it powered? And when considering cost, it's as crucial to ask about this ambient Internet of Things infrastructure and how much it would cost to make it economically viable. We will delve into these questions and more in our upcoming Coffee Time Inspiration videos. I'm excited to share all the details with you soon. Subscribe to get notified about the upcoming videos. Liking this video will help spread the word. Thank you for your precious time and see you soon.